Hi, I'm Shane from Shanesmithlaw. The topic today is subrogation. And subrogation is a term used in the insurance industry where one insurance company is trying to take money from a settlement, is generally what it is. Or one company is trying to take money from another company. In regards to our clients and their personal injury settlement, what it generally means is some health insurance company or entity is trying to subrogate or take money out of the personal injury case to pay them back for the expenses they made. An example is, let's say a hospital bill is $1,000, your health insurance pays $250 of that and the rest is written off. That $250, your health insurance company may subrogate against you or against your personal injury settlement to get their $250 back. Government agencies, Medicare, Medicaid, TRICARE, the VA, all of them will subrogate against your personal injury case, as will many private health insurance companies. Subrogation is one of the things we deal with in our industry. On our cases, it's one of the things we have to work through. We work to try to reduce the subrogation entity's amount. We will argue with them over the amount of the bill. We'll also argue about whether it should be reduced or not, whether it's related to the personal injury accident. And also sometimes just arguing with them over whether they are entitled to that subrogation. But either way, it's something that occurs in a personal injury case. What we tell all our clients, if you get a letter from any entity talking about your personal injury case and wanting to get money out of your treatment or things like that, you definitely need to contact us right away so that we can begin that appeals process or fight that process, rather than just ignoring it and not dealing with it, which is not good at all, because that lets that entity come back to you after the case is settled and try to take money out of your pocket. Or it can be worse and you can violate that. So please, if you ever get a letter from a subrogation entity, contact us right away so that we can begin to deal with it rather than just ignore it. And also, don't sign any paperwork until you've talked to your lawyer about it. Some of those subrogation entities who are not really entitled to much protection, so they're not really entitled to get much of their money back under various state laws, will encourage you to sign a piece of paper agreeing to subrogation and basically validating their right to get a portion of your personal injury case back. Do not do that. Don't sign anything from your health insurance company or anybody else without talking to your lawyer, because you can really hurt your case and you can become bound to that even though they may not have a good or valid subrogation in it interest. And there may be a case where we could have fought it totally and gotten it kicked out, but if you sign that, it's very, very hard for us to do. So if you have any issues with that, or you get any letters from your health insurance company in particular, please contact me or another lawyer to help you deal with that. Once again, I'm Shane from Shanesmithlaw. If you're in pain, call Shane, 980-999-9999.
980-999-9999. 980-999-9999. Shanesmithlaw. In pain, call Shane.